And now here you are, standing between who you were and who you are becoming. It feels uncertain, doesn't it? Like walking barefoot between two worlds, one that no longer fits and one you cannot yet see. But this in between is sacred. It is where the old you dissolves and the true you emerges. The you that is not defined by who left, what ended, or what broke. The you that is defined by what remained. Your heart, your faith, your connection to Allah. Every tear that fell was watering the garden of your rebirth. Every moment of silence was a conversation with your Creator. Every ache was a reminder the heart which leans on Allah will never collapse. My dear brother, my dear sister, don't rush this part. Don't wish the healing away. You are not falling apart. You are unfolding apart. You are unfolding. You are learning to walk again, but this time with gentler steps, guided not by desire, but by divine direction. Allah is still writing your story, and this chapter, though it feels heavy, is not meant to end in pain. It's meant to end in peace. You are not being punished for your softness. You are being refined through it. Your tenderness is not your weakness. It is your bridge to Allah. It is what keeps your heart alive when the world tries to harden it. Soon you will wake up one morning and notice something subtle has shifted. The heaviness will feel lighter. The silence will feel sacred. The memories that once burned will feel like old lessons instead of open wounds. You will smile without forcing it. You will breathe without aching. And you will realize that what once broke you has quietly built you. That every wire has turned into a thank you. That every loss led you back to something eternal. Because when Allah takes, He is never depriving, He is redefining. He is teaching your heart how to hold only what will not crumble. You will no longer crave being understood by everyone, because being seen by Allah will feel like enough. You will no longer chase love that costs you your peace, because you will have tasted the kind that is peace. You will no longer run after fleeting happiness, because you will have found the joy that no ending can erase, the joy of nearness to the one who never leaves. So if you are still in the storm, hold on. If you are still crying at night, keep praying. If you are still healing, keep trusting. Healing, keep trusting. Because every soul that breaks for Allah is rebuilt by Him more beautifully than before. The version of you that is coming will make sense of everything that didn't. You will thank Allah for what He took, because it taught you what love truly means. You will thank Him for what He delayed, because it arrived when your heart was finally ready. You will thank Him for every silence, because in that silence, you finally heard His voice. And when you look back, you'll realize this was never a story of loss. It was a story of return. A return to peace, to purpose, to Allah. You didn't lose anything, you were guided home. So take a deep breath, my dear soul. You are not behind. You are exactly where you are meant to be. And the one who brought you here has never once left your side. Crescent moon, and then one day, without you realizing it, something inside you will shift. You will look at the same sky that once witnessed your tears, and instead of breaking, you will breathe. You will realize that healing was never a single moment. It was thousands of small ones stitched together by Allah's mercy. The nights you thought were endless were actually wombs of renewal. The prayers you whispered through tears were not unanswered. They were being woven into your new beginning. Every heartbreak that once felt like an ending was actually a redirection, guiding you toward yourself, toward growth, toward Allah. The pain that once defined you will no longer control you. The memories that once haunted you will feel like lessons written in gold. The loneliness that once hollowed your heart will become sacred solitude, a space where you find Allah's companionship more real than anything this world could offer. You will see that every unanswered dua was not ignored. It was preserved, waiting for the moment your heart could truly carry the blessing without breaking under its weight. And when that moment arrives, when your soul feels light, your heart feels whole, and your mind finally rests, you will understand the wisdom behind every delay, every loss, every unanswered prayer. You will whisper, Alhamdulillah, for what left, for what stayed, and for what became me. You will know that every ending was a beginning in disguise, that nothing was ever wasted, that every ache was simply Allah teaching you how to return home, not to a person but to Him. So if you are still in that place of waiting, still healing, still learning how to breathe again, remember this: your story is not over. You are not broken beyond repair. You are being rewritten by the most merciful. One day you will wake up and realize that the peace you were searching for was never lost. It was being grown inside you all along. Your heart will smile quietly, and you will finally understand. Allah didn't just heal you, He rebuilt you. And that, my dear, was always the plan. Herb healing doesn't knock on your door to announce that it has arrived. Healing sits beside you quietly and waits for you to notice that you are no longer the person who once shattered. That small, quiet moment becomes one of the most sacred of your life, when you realize you survived something that once threatened to destroy you, and not only did you survive, you transformed. You became kinder, deeper, wiser, softer in the places where life tried to make you hard. You look back at the version of yourself who cried alone, who begged Allah for strength, who didn't know how to continue, and you whisper, "I'm proud of you." Your new life is not loud, it is gentle. It is the peace you feel when you stop needing answers, the calm inside your chest when you stop rushing destiny, the patience in your soul when you trust Allah's timing over your own urgency. It begins the day you stop reopening doors Allah has closed, the day you finally say, "Ya Allah, what you choose for me is better than what I wanted for myself," and your heart truly means it. This is your new life, a life built on Allah and therefore unshakable. It arrives in small breaths, in quiet shifts, in sacred moments, like realizing your heart feels safe again, or that a memory no longer hurts, or that your reflection now carries strength instead of sorrow. This strength is quiet, forged in tears, patience, and prayer. You will look back not with regret, but with gratitude, because the pain that once felt like punishment was the doorway to your awakening. The waiting that once felt unbearable was where Allah rebuilt you. The silence that once felt empty was where Allah sat with you the whole time. Your new life doesn't begin when you receive something. It begins when you become someone softer, wiser, and closer to Allah. You are not breaking, you are blooming. My dear brother, my dear brother, my dear sister, I know you think you are breaking right now. I see the exhaustion in your chest, the tremble in your breath, the heaviness in your tears. But listen gently, you are not breaking, you are blooming. A seed must crack before it grows. It must split, it must surrender everything it once was before becoming what Allah always knew it could be. You are in that cracking, not destruction, but transformation. Your soul is shedding what cannot come with you into the next chapter. You are expanding, unfolding, awakening. It feels like grief because something is disappearing. The old version of you that lived in fear, begged for love, didn't know its worth. That version is being laid to rest, and yes, it hurts, but that is not heartbreak. That is not heartbreak. That is rebirth. You are not being undone. You are being remade. Every tear is watering your soul, every sigh a release, every whisper, Ya Allah, a seed of light. You are growing quietly in the soil of patience. The darkness you feel now is not punishment, it is preparation. Allah is holding you in the place where roots grow, unseen but alive. When the time comes, you will rise, not suddenly, but beautifully. And you will say, every moment I thought I was breaking, I was only being opened by Allah. You are in your soil moment. This pain is its beginning, this waiting is its water, and Allah is the one tending to your heart Himself. There are parts of your story that had to break you because breaking was the only way to open you. You ask why Allah let you hurt this way, why He took what you prayed to keep, and the answer is not rejection, but love. Pain was the only door to the version of you He was preparing. The version who knows how to stand alone, who knows peace that cannot be taken, who returns to her fitra. Every heartbreak, every silence, every tear was not destruction. It was redirection. You are not being reduced, you are being refined. You are not being punished, you are being protected. You are not being forgotten, you are being carried. Allah didn't want to just change your life. He wanted to change you. The old you loved too quickly, gave too loudly, forgot yourself too easily. Allah wanted to build someone stronger, wiser, softer, and closer to Him. That's why your heart had to break. Not to destroy you, but to open you so that light, faith, and peace could enter. And now your heart no longer prays out of habit. It prays out of need. You no longer seek comfort in people. You seek Allah. You no longer fear endings. You trust His beginnings. But one day soon you will wake up and realize the storm is over. Not because life changed, but because you did. You will look at the sky and breathe differently. Your past will no longer haunt you. Your heart will no longer ache for what left. You will whisper, "Oh ya Allah, thank you for not giving me what I wanted. Thank you for giving me what I needed." And in that moment, you will feel peace. The kind that depends on anything or anyone, but the kind that comes from being held by the one who never lets go. This is your bloom. This is your return. You are not breaking. You are blooming quietly, softly, beautifully under the care of the most loving tulip.